So today I will present the first research paper analysis. So the title of the paper that I analyzed is Recommendation of Move Method Refactoring Using Cabling, Cohesion, and Contextual Similarity. This paper has been accepted to 2017 IEEE International Conference on Imaging, Vision, and Pattern Recognition. It was presented last February, and the conference was located in the University of Dhaka Senate in Bangladesh. So in terms of how to determine the venue quality, this conference seems not to be one of the reputable venue. It's actually not listed as one of the top general software engineering conference, and this paper has a zero citation counts. It may probably because it just published last April. So as far as the problem statement goes, the main issues that this paper is trying to address is developers may unconsciously place method into incorrect classes. This may cause the creation of feature envy codesmol. And as you may know, that feature envy codesmol is a method that seems more interested in a class other than the one that is in. And this will reflect a poor design and increased development and maintenance effort. And more importantly, the application will be tightly coupled and loosely cohesive. So in order to solve these issues and ensure high quality software, developers should move the method into more appropriate classes with the intention that the application should be loosely coupled and highly cohesive design when refactoring feature in vCodesmol. And basically the paper proposed a novel approach for this refactoring that is based on cohesion, coupling, and contextual similarity. So as for the context, as I said earlier, this paper proposed a novel approach for recommending move method refactoring to eliminate the feature in vCodesmol based on cohesion, coupling, and contextual similarity. And here contextual similarity consider significant factor to improve the accuracy of move method refactoring technique. But what does contextual similarity mean? It's basically about grouping similar behavior of method into one class. So the traditional approach of move method is to place a method into a class whom entities it uses most. Whereas the target approach of this paper is if this paper is based on the context that a method is moved into a class that its method are using similar entities. This paper also provides a technique for automatic detections of feature in vCodesmol for static and non-static methods. So the proposed methodology consists of 4 phases. It starts by parsing the source code to identify the codesmol and group similar method into a class and recommend move method refactoring, followed by calculating the similarity between the target method and the classes considering better cohesion and coupling design aspect using Jaccard similarity coefficient. Then, measuring the contextual similarity between the target method and the classes using information retrieval technique, and lastly, combining and comparing the two kinds of similarity in the previous 2 phases to determine the appropriate class for the target method. So this approach has been implemented in 3 well-known open source projects, JHotDraw, Argml, and Movie Rental Score. So with regard to the result of proposed approach, the precision has been computed for the proposed approach, and then the precision and recall has been calculated using information retrieval technique, and then compared with the most popular Eclipse plugin for refactoring called JDeodorant. So the result shows that the proposed approach provides better result than the J-driven tool. So from the table, you can see that our proposed approach has provide a precision of 80% and recall of 67% on average of the three projects, while J deodorant has only 45% and 47% respectively. So this research could be improved by providing a source code example that show the implementation of a placing method in the correct class. Additionally, setting a priority on the two similarity score with two or more classes to improve the accuracy, as in the current approach, both the Jaccard similarity coefficient and contextual similarity score get the same priority. And lastly, I would suggest to extend the recommendation of move method for other code small such as data class instead of just restricted to the feature in the code small. And that's pretty much about the first research analysis. And thank you.